Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. So in this video, we'll be looking at some of the Q1 results that were announced. First, we'll be seeing the IndusInd Bank's Q1 results and then the Infosys Technologies Q1 results that was announced. So these two news items have been sourced from moneycontrol.com and we will add the links in the description below if you'd like to read them yourself. So let's go into the topic. So as we can see, IndusInd Bank's Q1 profit has jumped 38% post the Bharat financial merger and the asset quality has stumbled. So private sector lender IndusInd Bank has reported a healthy growth in their June quarter earnings following their merger. The year-on-year comparison will give a skewed picture, so it has not been shown. The net profit of the merged entity stood at 1,432.5 crore rupees for the quarter ended June 2019, rising 38.3% compared to the 1,036 crore rupees in the corresponding period last year. So please keep in mind that since they have merged with Bharat Financial Inclusion, the comparison will not be very exact. The net interest income, the difference between the earned and the interest expended, has grown by 34% to 2,844 crore rupees, with a loan growth at 28%. The net interest margin also improved 4.05% in the first quarter from 3.59% in the March quarter and 3.92% in the first quarter of 2019. The bank also said the total deposit was at 2,586 crore rupees, higher by 26%. The asset quality has weakened slightly on sequential basis. The gross non-performing assets as a percentage of gross advances came in higher at 2.15%. Their net NPA too has increased to 1.23% in the first quarter. So, while addressing a press conference, the MD and CEO Romesh Sopti has stressed the assets at the end of June quarter stood at 1.67% against the 1.9% in the previous quarter. He also added that the bank has been seeing a sharp decline in the cost of deposits. The net interest margin should benefit by 10 to 15 base points over the next 2 to 3 quarters with falling deposit costs. So the IndusInd Bank has reported provisions for bad loans for a quarter at 430.6 crore rupees, rising 23% year on year, but declining 72% compared to the previous quarter. The operating profit showed a 35.6% year on year growth at 2,591 crore rupees in the June quarter. The other income grew by 28% year on year to 1,663 crore rupees. So as of 3:50 p.m., that is at market close, the stock was quoting at 1,509.5 rupees, which is 2.06% lower than the previous close. So that is IndusInd Bank. Now let's look at Infosys first quarter results, which have shown a profit fall 2.68% and a raise in financial year 2020's constant currency revenue guidance to 8.5 to 10%. So let's go into it deeply. Infosys June quarter profit has fallen 6.8% sequentially but raised its full year constant currency revenue guidance to 8.5 to 10%. Profit for the quarter ended June 2019 stood at 3,802 crore rupees, down from 4,078 crore rupees in the March quarter. The revenue in rupee terms grew by 1.2% quarter on quarter to 21,803 crore rupees. The dollar revenue showed a 2.3% sequential growth at $3,131 million, and constant currency revenue growth came in line with street estimates at 2.8%. So Infosys has increased its financial year 2020's revenue growth guidance range to 8.5 to 10% in constant currency from 7.5 to 9.5% earlier and has maintained a operating margin guidance range of 21 to 23%. So let's look at what's been given here. The digital CC growth is 41.9% year on year. The CC growth is 12.4% year on year. and quarter on quarter while seeing it's 2.8% higher. Operating margin is 20.5%, and the large deal signings are at $2.7 billion. So at operating level, the EBIT has declined 3.2% sequentially to 4,471 crore rupees, and the margin has contracted 90 base points to 20.5% in the first quarter of financial year 2020 against the estimates of 4,400 crore rupees and 20.2% respectively. So other income during the quarter has increased 10.7% quarter on quarter to 736 crore rupees, while the tax cost jumped 13.3%. So the consolidated and standalone attrition rate for the quarter was higher at 23.4% and 21.5%. But higher performance attrition is still low, and there is no impact of attrition on deliverables, according to Sahil Parekh while addressing press conference. So these are the first quarter results for Infosys and IndusInd Bank. That's all for today. If you, Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to start trading in the stock market, you can create your Demat account with Alice Blue. With Alice Blue's brokerage services, you'll get excellent exposures and margin for trading in the stock market.